Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share the amazing benefits of pumpkin seeds for your health. These tiny seeds are a true superfood, packed with plenty of nutrients. Find out why you should add pumpkin seeds to your diet and how they can positively impact your body and mind. Make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any valuable tips. A rich source of magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium. This essential mineral is crucial for heart, bone, and muscle health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, improves sleep, and reduces stress levels. If you're looking to boost your overall well-being, just a handful of these seeds a day can be a great start. Heart health. Thanks to their high content of magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants, pumpkin seeds are excellent for your cardiovascular system. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and prevent atherosclerosis. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds strengthen the heart muscle and reduce inflammation. A plant-based protein. Powerhouse pumpkin seeds are rich in plant-based protein, making them an ideal snack for vegetarians or anyone trying to cut down on meat consumption. Protein is vital for tissue growth and repair, as well as for maintaining energy throughout the day. About 100 grams of seeds contain approximately 30 grams of protein. Support for prostate health. Pumpkin seeds have long been known for their benefits for men's health. Thanks to their zinc and antioxidant content, they help maintain prostate health and reduce inflammation. This is especially important for men over 40, who are at a higher risk for prostate issues. Better sleep quality. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a role in producing serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate mood and sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, try eating a small portion of pumpkin seeds a couple of hours before bed. Immune system support. With their high levels of zinc and vitamins A and E, pumpkin seeds help strengthen your immune system. Zinc aids wound healing, improves skin health, and helps your body fight infections. Including these seeds in your diet is an easy way to stay healthy year-round. Digestive Health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber, which supports healthy digestion. Fiber helps normalize bowel movements, prevents constipation, and removes toxins from the body. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds keeps your gut healthy and reduces the risk of inflammatory diseases. Antioxidant Power. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with powerful antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. These compounds protect your cells from free radical damage, slow down skin aging, and lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. The more antioxidants in your diet, the better your body is protected. Pumpkin seeds aren't just a tasty snack. They're also a powerhouse of minerals and antioxidants. They're suitable for all ages, beneficial for both men and women, and easy to incorporate into any diet. Try adding them to your meals today and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next helpful tips. Let us know in the comments what other superfoods you'd like us to feature. See you in the next video.